Everybody's desire is, I want to reach my goals faster. Yes or no? Do you want to reach your goals faster or slow? Definitely yes, right? How to manifest this faster? I know that law of attraction is working in my life, but I'm not seeing that progress much faster. Why there's a delay? The secret which I want to share here is the one word called gratitude. You just go back, to many of the people who are most successful, they have the attitude of gratitude or the attitude of giving thanks. Most of us, we have this attitude of looking for things which we don't have. But my question to you is, have you ever thanked God for what you have all in your life? Have you ever thanked Him? We just always pray and ask for what we don't have. Daily I start my day by thanking God, by thanking Him and saying that, oh, thanks for the shelter. In fact, thanks for the day. Because till yesterday, there were people with me, but today there are some people are not there with me. Okay, so for that, thanks for giving me this day, thanks for giving me this shelter, thanks for giving my family, thanks for giving my food, thanks for the physical health which I'm having today, thanks for the finances which I'm having, thanks for the business, thanks for the opportunity which you have given to me to transform people's life. I can keep on saying. So every day I keep thanking at least minimum for 10 to 15 minutes. Why I need to thank? I always keep saying we are all energy beings. When I say we are all energy beings, when I say thanks, what is my energy state? Is it positive or negative? Obviously it is positive. But when I keep on grumbling and say, oh, I don't have this, I need to have this, what will be my energy state? It will be negative or positive? Negative. Most of the people who understand this formula just thank and say for everything whatever they have. And when we keep on thanking, actually what happens is your vibration changes, your energy changes. When your energy changes, what actually happens? Your attraction becomes much faster. And I always keep saying, never ever compare with others, because God has got uniqueness in every one of us. The day they started thanking, they started seeing the changes. And what actually happened was they started attracting much faster. In fact, is it thanking only when everything is positive or thanking always? That's one question which I get normally from many people. I just say thank always. Then what? Yeah, thank always. Okay. When you keep on doing that, your attitude will change. When your attitude changes, your energy changes. When your energy changes, what happens to attraction? You attract much faster.